I'm scared.
This could be dangerous.
You guys all watch out.
Hey Shelly, it's really cool when it rains.
Oh, I'm sure.
Alright, I want to show you a couple things. Before you drive out here, you gotta walk out here with me.
I will. Not while Ryan's behind the wheel, though.
Do a reverse, make her go all the way out there first. Terrell! Jake! Back up! All the way out there. No, back up. There you go. Keep going. That's a good start.
Your face!
Well, that's a plus. She's not going very far.
This puppy won't bite her, will it?
Peel out going backwards.
Be nice, baby.
To be rough. To be nice.
He's scared.
If anything, he'll run away.
Me. He does alright.
I think Ryan's getting too
Dude,
far.
we needed like a cab cam because that was horrible in there. Like when he was spinning cookies, the whole thing filled with dust.
Oh, yeah.
See in there.
You should have saw us when we used to jump Jeeps.
It's in neutral. Congratulations.
Ryan doesn't know how to drive worth a shit.
Oh, she doesn't?
No.
Yep.
Will you watch her while Paul
Distract her.
just so that
She's all, Trevon has food.
Look at me.
Say please. Baby, say please. Say please.
Is she driving it?
Yeah, kind of.
Keely!
Don't leave her up on the porch.
Oh, you want her?
No. Ryan's not that skilled.
She doesn't really know how to drive. Jacob almost ran my car to the back of Mom's car. It was so, I was like, Mama, I was like.
Jacob ran my car into the fence because he didn't understand the brake.
Where is he? Oh, he had to work, huh?
Yeah, he decided to take a pee. Watch out for the
What is
hole.
it? There's a hole?
Yeah, there's a huge, like 10-foot hole up there.
No, I don't like this. She needs to stop. She's
Stop. Stop. Thank you.